Yes, yes.
These are all the notes I've been taking.
Okay,
On one book already gone. This is the
okay.
second book, and all the notes are here. And I tell you one thing: these workshops are for me is long watching. I mean,
Yes,
I spend a lot of time
got it.
watching all the workshop videos, and now I'm going to show you some of the technical questions I write
Sure,
and did something on my Word file. Let me go and find some of the.
sure. You do not need to write the test cases, but the API you need to write. That's the reason we keep you guys with the quality assurance. And the manual test case, you should be able to write the manual test case. You do not need to write the manual test steps. That's not your job. You do not need to, you need to do the Swagger, but you do not need to do the database testing. So quite,
But anyway, I find that the tester job, that is, those are also very interesting, and it is good that I'm getting the exposure to
yes,
also know how they work, because everything is connected. So
yes,
that's very helpful how the tests are done and how the bugs are, they
yes,
find the bugs and report it. And that's really helpful. And I'm
yes.
also going through all the Postman thing, and I need to do more hands-on for API and Swagger, and I'll definitely do it because, as you know, I work for a school district. We're having a long break.
Yes,
That is
yes.
my really will be my catch-up time. I'll be able
And it will be,
a
you'll
lot
be,
of time, more time on this, and I must thank the team because I find they're very talented, learning from their show and tell,
yes, yes, because
and
then,
the
and you'll be,
chats and communication, anything. Yeah, show and tell is really great. Those are very good ways to really teaching and updating myself.
yes. And you'll be facing like this being a product owner leading the team member is like this. They will not follow the process, or they're doing their way, or they're like a behind, and you have to deal with them basically.
Yes, from this 2 months experience, I must share my experience that engaging with this camp is very, very time consuming process. And somehow I tell my younger members that please invest time, because the more time we can invest here, the better we get. It's a rigorous program, and it's also technical. It is not just sitting here and listening to the workshop. You have to really examine many things, go over the workshops, ask yourself questions, share with the group. And every workshop I ask you too many questions. Maybe you get sometime
No,
bored with me, but you see, this is a new area for me, and I think that that's the only way I can update myself and share everything with uh, others. I learn from others most here because I see their show and tell. I see their messages, and all are very talented. And this is a great opportunity for me.
yep, that's the expectation. If you do not ask, we don't know what you're learning. We want you guys to ask. That's the goal.
Uh, I have one request. Maybe because I'm the only one person, I want to request uh, the administrator who is in charge of the user story and the retrobot, if agile, uh, uh, that app you have, so that I can write the user story and retrobot. I want to be included there.
Oh, you are not there yet?
I already communicated.
Okay.
He mentioned that he will add me, but I think due to I'm new to this batch, that's why they're waiting for a group to be formed or something like that.
You'll be actually, everything is Farhana is doing, you and Amrita will be leading the whole team. So you will be enough. You will be
Oh, thank you so much.
actually you'll be managing the entire Agile ALM, the sprint, user story. You'll be doing it. That will be your like a 70%.
Thank you so much. And as you always say, know your application very well. My target is know the application very well so that I get very used to it and very comfortable with the application, because that's the message you have been sending us and telling us all the time. Know your app and you'll be loved by everyone.
Yes, that is true. And that's the reason I check everybody how they're doing. Okay, great. Who is left? Let me see. Who is left? Who is left? Tahir, what you are here? Can you share the screen?